Hey guys, Francis here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a CLICKBANK account here in Nigeria. Now, most of you have been asking me this question on how to get a CLICKBANK account in Nigeria because CLICKBANK don't work with Nigerians directly. All right. So in a short while, I'll hop onto my computer and share with you guys what CLICKBANK is, how it works, and how you can get your own account here in Nigeria. Most videos I've been seeing on YouTube on how to create a CLICKBANK account are mostly sharing on ethical ways you can create a CLICKBANK account, which you don't want to get into trouble with CLICKBANK. All right, you don't want to promote product and have money on your dashboard, then wake up one morning to see that CLICKBANK says your account is actually shut down because you broke some rules. So you don't want that. We want to do things the right way and actually don't want to get into trouble. Okay, we don't want to lose our money. All right. So CLICKBANK is one of the best affiliate networks out there. Actually, there are other affiliate networks, but CLICKBANK is one of the best. Okay, they have good product. They have a ton of products right there, and I think it's easy to navigate around the marketplace. All right, it's very, very easy, which I'll be sharing with you guys shortly in this video. Okay, so if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, if this is your first time on watching me on YouTube, my name is Francis Abogonye. Nice to meet you. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey in entrepreneurship on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, tick the little bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I come up with new videos so you don't miss out on anything. All right. And if you find any value in this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. It actually tells YouTube that this video is cool, so YouTube can recommend it to other people as well. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. If you're an affiliate marketer, just put that down there. Just say affiliate marketer. If you have a CLICKBANK account, just say CLICKBANK account. If you do any form of making money online, just let me know that in the comment. All right, let's get to meet each other. Okay, let's build a community around the comment section. Okay, let's get to know each other right there. All right, and if you have any friend who is interested in making money online, you can share this video with them. All right, or who want to get a CLICKBANK account, share this video with them to give value to your friends. Help your friends out. All right, share with them so everybody benefits from it actually. All right, so this January I'm doing a class, one-on-one class. If you're interested in that, the class will be about affiliate marketing and making money online in general. If you want to meet with me one-on-one, all right, I'll put the details in the description of this video. So go down there and check the details so that you can be part of it if you're interested. All right. So with that being said, let's dive right to my computer, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can create your own CLICKBANK account the right way in Nigeria. So guys, this is CLICKBANK, and this is what CLICKBANK looks like. All right. Later on in this video, I'll share with you guys what the affiliate marketplace is and all that. But first off, let's go straight into why you're watching this video, which is creating the CLICKBANK account, right? So you click on create account, all right, without using any unethical thing. All right, when I come right here, I noticed something. The last time I came to CLICKBANK, there was no Nigeria right here, but right now they now have Nigeria here. Okay, they now have Nigeria right here. Let's just quickly fill this out and see if we can get a CLICKBANK account. Let's just use a dummy name. I'll just use Mike here. I'll use James here. I'll just put a random phone number +23481. Okay, just put this down here. I'll just say Mike James at gmail.com. all right, then I'll just put the random at least one uppercase. All right, that's fine. Okay, so I'll just put in a password, random password. Let's just see what works. All right, because for CLICKBANK to put this, that means for them to have Nigeria right here, that means maybe they are thinking of working with Nigerians very soon, because you can actually create it completely using this. Now they have a lot of contract and terms of conditions here, terms and conditions actually here. So when you come here, you click accept terms, this ticks, and when you click join, it just shows you service temporarily unavailable. Now before, like 2 months back, when I tried creating a CLICKBANK account like this way, okay, because I was surprised to see Nigeria here. So 2 months back, it was actually saying some things about they don't want to work with Nigerians because they're trying to protect their clients and all that stuff. But right now it's just showing service temporarily unavailable, please try again later. I'm having a good feeling that they will soon be working with Nigerians directly. Okay, so the way I created mine, let's try to log into my own ClickBank account. I'll just sign in. Let's go to sign in right here. So I'll sign into my own ClickBank account. I'm gonna blur this out, sorry guys. These are my personal details. So I'll just sign in real quick, click on sign in, and I'll be in. Alright, so this is my account. You can see everything here is blank and zero. I've actually not promote anything with this ClickBank account, alright, because this is for tutorial purposes. I'm mostly going to be using ClickBank for some of my tutorials and all that, sharing with you guys how to use do affiliate marketing with ClickBank and all that stuff. Alright, because I mostly promote products with other networks, because I got this account recently and I want to share with you guys. I got this account because I want to share with you guys how to get yours also. Okay, so how I managed to get my own ClickBank account was a friend of mine in the UK that actually helped me create my ClickBank account. All right, somebody that is willing to help out, and so I just requested, and she actually helped me create my own ClickBank account. So you can also go through that route by telling a friend to help you create a ClickBank account, a friend in a ClickBank location that you trust that can help you create a ClickBank account. So when you promote products, all right, when you promote product and you have money in your dashboard, you can send your check to that person. Then maybe the person can send the check to you, or maybe help you process the check and maybe send you the money, send you the funds. All right, that's like one of the easiest way you can do this without getting your account shut down or getting your account banned. You see my account is always open right here. This is my name here, hello Francis. So with this I don't have to start using VPN or changing things here and there, which is not cool because it might get your account in trouble. So this is the best way I think you should go. So like I made mention earlier on, I said for some of you who I said I'm actually going to help some of you guys get through the curve, right? Because some people might say, I don't have a friend who can help me create one. So the fastest way you can do this, if you don't have any friend or anybody that can help you create the ClickBank account, just come to Facebook. Everybody have a Facebook account. Then come to the search icon and type in ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank affiliate success. All right, just search this. All right. The reason why, click on search. ClickBank Millionaire, ClickBank. So we're just going to search for, okay, this is ClickBank Millionaire Group, this is ClickBank Affiliate Success. All right, the reason why we want to search ClickBank Affiliate, okay, is because we want people who already know about ClickBank. All right, we want people who already know about ClickBank and how it works. So you can tell them, okay, introduce yourself, become friends with some of the members in the group. Okay, all you have to do is to come to members and see the members in this group. All right, see all the members in the group, look for some of them and become friends with them. Let them share ideas with you on how to promote products on ClickBank and all those stuff. Then you can let them know that you're in Nigeria and Nigerians can actually create a ClickBank account if they can help you open one. Okay, this is the fastest way you can go to get your ClickBank account. All right, so you don't want to, you want to get it the right way. All right, so if you become friends with some of them, all right, make sure you do your due diligence. You don't want to just ask any random person there. Yeah, you can become friends with them for a while, then you can tell them to help you create a ClickBank account. All right, maybe you can sniff out if they're people who you can work with or not. If you can do that, you can work your way around it. Actually, you know how to become friends with people, right? So you can tell them to help you create a ClickBank account. Build a relationship with someone there and they create an account for you, and it's that easy, then you're ready to go. So when you receive your commission, okay, you can send it to them. You can send the checks to them for them to help you maybe process it or send you the money, something like that. All right, you can move from there. So that's the fastest way you can create your own ClickBank account. Make sure you come to Facebook if you don't have anybody in ClickBank locations like in the US or UK. Okay, if you have someone there, you can just ask them to do it for you. They will do it. It's that easy. And make sure they are using your full information to create your ClickBank account. Let them use your own email address. Let them use the password you provide to them. Let them use your full name. Okay, let them use your own details to create the ClickBank account. All right, so you have full access to your ClickBank account. They should not just use their own. All right, so this is how you can create your own ClickBank account the right way. Come to ClickBank, tell somebody to help you create it, somebody in the ClickBank location, or come to Facebook and search ClickBank affiliate success, so you can see people who already know about ClickBank. You don't want to just talk to any random person that don't know what ClickBank is, okay, because some of these people here knows that ClickBank don't work in some region. All right, they know that already, so you can it will be easy for them to just accept and help you create your own ClickBank account. So that is how you do this. That's how you create your own ClickBank account. All right, so this is the marketplace. This is what it looks like. All right, there are a bunch of categories here, so you can come and promote any product you want to promote. All right, so let's say you want to go to the health and fitness and you want to promote weight loss products, okay, to weight loss audience, because I like talking about weight loss actually, because it is something that a lot of people have problem with, because you see somebody that is actually saying I want to lose weight, somebody that wanted to lose weight like 3 years ago, after losing the weight they go back to being obese, okay, because sometimes they can't stay consistent with their habits. They go back to being obese and they want to lose weight again, back and forth all the time, so they keep looking for new products to use for that. So when you come to ClickBank, first thing you want to do is sort by gravity, okay, so the top performing and top converting product. All right, and you see the commission per average sale. This is what you get when you promote like any of the product. You can see here you can promote this one to get $44, all right, $52 and all that. I like promoting mid to high ticket product, but some of these low ones tend to work very well, and there are also upsells inside of them that you can earn more commissions from. All right, so first thing you want to do is to click on promote, okay, then you put in your account nickname. This is my nickname to generate hop links. The hop links is actually your own unique affiliate link you can use to promote. Whenever somebody buys through this link, okay, you get credited for the sale. All right, so you just click here to copy, or just highlight this to copy, but I prefer to click this one. All right, then let's open this in an incognito browser so you see what it looks like. Click to go. So this is what the page looks like, okay, just a video here. So when somebody lands on this page, you can see this is my link. Let's just take this off. This is my link right here, my affiliate link right here, okay. So this is my nickname. So when I send somebody to this page and they buy through this link, I get a commission. This is how it works basically. Now this is just a landing page with a headline and a very good sales video. If somebody prefers to read, they can read this right here. So let me just click this on real quick. So when somebody comes to this page, they buy through this link, okay. In a while there will be a button that will pop up there, a clickable link for somebody to buy the product. So let's just scroll down. This is the same thing with the video. This is actually the same thing with the video. This is like the sales letter. This is written by top professional copywriters, okay, and this is proven to work because this is the top performing product on ClickBank, okay, based on gravity in the weight loss niche, okay. So we can come down, let me go down. I want to click on that button where they say buy now. So when somebody visits the page, they scroll down. Where's the buy now button? Can we find it somewhere? Okay, I think, okay, so when somebody comes here, they click here, they buy now, it takes them to the ClickBank checkout page. So you see, like I mentioned, there can be upsells. So there's an upsell right here, $19, and you also get commission for that. So when somebody buys this product, you get a commission. All right, so this is basically what ClickBank is. Let's just take this out. This is basically what ClickBank is. This is how it works. All right, so go crush it today. Come 2020, I might promote some product on ClickBank. I might do this for some tutorial purposes and share with you guys how to make money with affiliate marketing. All right, so if this is your first time on Shopping by, or you've been watching me for quite some time and you haven't subscribed, hit the red subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when I put out videos, okay? Because come 2020, I'll be putting a lot of valuable content. All right, today is actually 31st, so happy new year to you guys. I hope you guys have lots of awesome goals for 2020 to crush it online. All right, because I'm fully pumped and I can't wait to continue putting out valuable content or super pumped content to help you guys out with your online entrepreneurship journey. All right, so if you get any value from this, okay, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know your questions in the comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, like I made mention in the beginning, if you have a ClickBank account, let me know that in the comments. If you have any questions, if there's anything I can help you with, just let me know that in the comments. And if you would like to meet with me this January, the details are in the description of this video. And if you'd like to book a coaching call with me, also the details will also be in the description of this video. And check out my resource page with some of the valuable resources there you can use for your online businesses and all those cool stuff. So until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.